Hey guys, Greg Webster here with StockTradingSystems.com, and this is the second video where I show you how to use Yahoo Finance to analyze a stock. And remember guys to follow my blog right here on this website, where every day I'm going to be telling you the stocks I'm looking to trade the next day and why. And also follow me on Twitter at StockTraderGreg, and I'll be tweeting exactly when I buy or sell a stock. So follow me there. Okay, so now in this video, I wanted to talk to you guys about how to use a stock's 50-day moving average to trade. It's not the be-all and end-all, but it does help, and I'll explain as we go. So you know there's a link on my website that'll open up a new window in Yahoo Finance for you. I've already done that, and I opened up Ford Motor Company again, and we're going to use that stock as well as Netflix in our example. So on your summary page, if you click on Basic Technical Analysis, what you get is a 1-year chart. You always need to have a 1 year on this. So if you get to this from some other way in Yahoo Finance and it's not 1 year, make sure you click right here and have it go to 1 year. Next thing you do is on the next line, moving average, click on 50. That's number of days. So 50-day moving average. And here your line comes onto the chart. And all this is a rolling average of the last 50 days worth of stock prices on a given stock. And the reason why I started following this is because the guys, the traders on CNBC's Fast Money talk about this a lot. So a couple of years ago, I started teaching myself how to use this to help me trade a stock. And what I look for is how a stock reacts to its 50-day moving average line. Okay, now you can see with Ford, if it's trading above the 50-day moving average, if it starts to head down toward it, it goes right through it. It doesn't really, I call it, it's not obedient to its 50-day moving average line. As you can see here, Ford can, if it wants to, trade even up to $2 below its 50-day moving average line at any given moment. So here it was at about 12, and back on July 10th, it traded down to 10. That's $2. Another time, it blew right through it to the downside again, didn't care. It's been trading above it lately, but look at where we are now, this February 17th, 2011. It's blown through its 50-day moving average line again, and right here it went down to the low 15s while the moving average line was up at 17, so almost $2 again. So all this tells us on this stock is wait to trade it, because it can go way below its 50-day moving average line. Now, I've been blogging about this stock this week, and I took the trade off simply for that reason. I am going to wait and try to get this stock in the low 15s. It's trading at about 16 now because of how it acts in relation to its moving average. Okay, now let's open up Netflix. I have another window open. Look at this stock. Look at how obedient it is to its 50-day moving average. There's only one time in the last year that it went below it, and the 50-day moving average was at about 110, and it only dipped down about 107. That's not bad. Every other time that it's hit it, it's bounced back up. There. So this is how you trade this stock. I said this is an untradeable stock. The only way I would trade this is if for some reason you can get this thing when it's sitting at its 50-day moving average line. Now the 50-day moving average is at about 200 now. I don't know if that's 197, but I'm going to show you in a second how to figure out exactly what that number is. The stock closed today at 235. We're not trading it there, guys. If you can get it down on its moving average line, fine. But that's the only way I would recommend trading this, because you just don't know when this run is going to be over and it's going to turn around and come back down. Now, the way you tell exactly what this number is at any given point in time is you click on Key Statistics. And when I click on that, you see, as I scroll down, there'll be a column here, an entry here, that says 50-day moving average. So I know that that number is 201.58 exactly. That's important because what if I thought that number was 195 and I'm sitting here waiting for it to get down to 195? It comes down to 201, turns around, and I miss the trade. So that's how you can tell exactly what that number is. All right, so that is the last lesson in Yahoo Finance. Those are the only things I use on this whole site. I know there's a lot of information. A lot of people get confused with all of it. That's all you need to know, guys. The previous video and this one. All right, this is Greg Webster with StockTradingSystems.com, teaching ordinary people how to make money trading stocks.